Hi, Joe, and everyone over there at Big Joe's Roofing. My name is Charles. I work with your local SEO professionals. We are a company here in Philadelphia whose focus is on helping businesses save, add money, and attract more clients by building their online presence. Now, why am I shooting this video? Well, let's face it. A lot of SEO companies are after your money every day because no matter what industry you're in, and I was reading this article from Bright Local. 92% of consumers visit local business websites when deciding which business to use. And every business wants new customers, wants more customers. But when it comes to internet experts or SEO companies, a lot of the time they just don't know which internet expert to trust and whether it's affordable or not. So I wanted to prove myself. I shot you this quick customized video analysis of your website. And I want to show you a couple of things that you can do, actually, that you can do today for free to bring in more customers to your business. You can take these tips, no harm, no foul if we don't work together, but give them to your SEO or website guy, and hopefully you'll be able to pull in more clients. All right, so I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, so let me get started. The three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So what do I mean by content? Well, I'm going to select here everything you see selected. The pictures, text, the words behind the pictures, what the pictures are saved as. For example, here, Google verified reviews. Google looks at all of these and looks for keyword-rich content. Keywords meaning the words that people type in to search for your company. For example, Philadelphia Roofing Company, that's a keyword. Let me see. Philadelphia roofing contractor, that's another keyword. So to find your site, how I know about your site is that I Googled roofer in Philadelphia. That is a keyword. And I saw that your biggest competitor is Philly's Finest Roofing. And you're over here down at the bottom of the first page, which right below your ads. Now, one thing I want to mention about ads, and you can see Philly's Finest Roofing, they're also here, in that they bought Google ads. If I put on my ad blocker, I wouldn't be able to see these ads. And these days, a lot of people put ad blockers on. So these guys who take out Google ads, they have to be aware that they're missing out on a lot of the market who don't like clicking on ads. Anyway, back to content. So I would add text until you have about 1,000 to 1,500 words. I think right now these look like about 400 and something words. And then saturate it with keywords. And keywords are very important. I like to do this exercise with clients, with potential clients. I have a tool called Ahrefs, and with it I can put a website in and analyze almost everything about the website. So I've used Ahrefs to analyze your website versus your competitor, Philly's Finest Roofing. And I'm gonna click on organic keywords. These are the keywords that are recognized. Now, roofer in Philadelphia is what I typed in. You can see about 150 people search for it per month. You're in 11th position. You've gone up 3 before. So I'm guessing you were on the second page before, then now that's why you're on the bottom of the first page. And about 4 people go to your website because of that. Now, if we click on this, and I'm going to search for that keyword by domain, you'll see your competitor has the top position. So for that search, they're going to be the top position. And they have 28 people come into the website because of it. And you're all the way down here, position 11. Now, just imagine if let's say you'd be able to rank for this keyword and take a lot of this traffic. Say you take 20 people. Let's run this exercise. Now, I just Googled cost of a new roof in Philadelphia. $6,000 is the lower. So let's do $6,000. Well, let's see. If you have 20 people, let's say your conversion rate is 10%. So that's just 2 people times $6,000 each. $12,000 added to your bottom line simply because of ranking for one keyword. Looking at your competitor's site, they have 314. You can see they have a lot more keywords and their position is very high. That means they're getting a lot more traffic because of this. Now, this is easy to rectify. Once again, your content. Saturate your website and every page with your competitors' keywords and more so that you rank more and attract more people to your business. If you look at the volume of people who are searching for these keywords, roofing companies in Philadelphia, 150 people, and they're drawing 13 from this because they're fourth position. So if you were to rank for more of these keywords, you definitely draw in more traffic. The second thing I want to talk about are citations. Citations have to do with what's known as the map pack right here. Usually the map pack is right below the Google ads when you do a search. Now the way to appear here in the map pack, like one of these top 3, is to have more and more citations. The most citations, think of it as a popularity contest. Now, what are citations? Citations are anywhere across the internet that your business name, address, and phone number appears in directories. Any directory across the internet. For example, like Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Yext. All of these directories. The reason these guys are up here is because they are in a lot more reliable directories than the rest of the pack. So it's very easy to get into this side and get onto this map pack here. Just go out and find better and better directories, more directories than your competitors. I have a tool that can tell me what directories your competitors are in, and then match them and then blow them out of the water by adding 50 more different citations. Last thing I want to talk about refers to this section below the map pack. This is where you find organic search results. Now, how to rank here? First of all, I want to say Google released some statistics saying that 70% of people who do searches will click on the first page, and about 32% will click on this very first organic search result. So to get more traffic, it's very important to be at least one of the top 3 here. Now, how do you get here? Well, that's where backlinks come in. If you think of the internet as a whole bunch of web pages linked together, a backlink is when one different domain has a link that directs to your website. Now, not all backlinks are the same. For example, if a McDonald's links to your website, a McDonald's in Maine links to your website, that has nothing to do with what you do. So Google will not recognize that as a powerful backlink. However, if a forum in New Jersey on roofing links to you, Google will consider that as a stronger backlink. Now back to my tool here, Ahrefs. I can go in and find out what backlinks you have. And I can see most of these are directories. Now, they're not that many, and their strength is mostly between 0 and 10 on a scale of 0 to 100. Now, let's take a look at your competitors. He has about 105 backlinks. The strength is, well, they have many more between 11 and 20. The goal, in order to beat them, would be to get more backlinks with a higher strength. So let's take a look at the backlinks. What you can actually do is come here and go to each one of these backlinks and make sure that you also have a link to your website from, and a lot of these are directories. So it's very possible, very easy to go in, make sure you have a link, a backlink as well. And not only that, because you want to be able to dominate your competition, so I would even double or triple the number of backlinks and have them with a greater strength. That way, you're going to start ranking higher and higher. Soon, you'll be very first and unbeatable. So that's it. Thanks a lot for your time. I appreciate it. Please give these tips to whoever handles your SEO or your website, and hopefully you can use them to start ranking and drawing in more clients and beating your competition. If you'd like to save time and you're impressed by what I've given you, you can always go ahead and give me a call. We can talk about partnering together, or you can send me an email. Again, thanks for your time. I wanted to keep this below 10 minutes, but it's just a little bit above. Thank you very much and have a great day.